down the hill with a lonely girl, little, little, lay, hoo. You yodel back with a girl and go, yo, little, little. Wind it up, wind it up, wind it up. Yo, little, little, low. This is the key that makes us wind up. When the beat comes, oh, the girls all line up and the boys all look, but no, they can't touch. But the girls want to know why guys like us so much. They like the way we dance, they like the way we work, they like the way we gum is going across my shirt. They like my way my pants, it complements my shape. They like the way we rack every time the bass bangs. Realize it calls your name. Let the beat wind you up and don't stop till the time is up. Get a line now. Wind it up. Wind it up. Wind it up. Yodelay, you got to let the beat get under you, sin. You got to let up and let it all in. Once it gets in, the popping begins, and then you find out while the boys stare. They're trying to bite our style, trying to study our approach. They like the way we do it, so original. I guess they thought so they should leave the room. The beat is for the clubs and the cars that every time the bass bangs, realize it calls your name. Let the beat wind you up and don't stop till your time is up. Get in line now. Wind it up. Wind it up. Wind it up. Yodelay, uh-huh. It's your moment. Uh-huh. Come on, girl, you know it. Uh-huh. You know your key is still tick-tocking. Hell yeah. You know there's watching. Get it, girl, get it, girl. Get it, girl, get it, girl. To the front, to the side, to the back, but don't let him run. Keep going, girl, it's your night. Don't let him steal your light. You know he thinks you're fine and stuff, but does he know how to wind you up? Wind it on.